Hey everybody, Dave Lisa here. How you doing? So we're getting set to build a new PC, and we kind of wanted to show you the hardware here before we start. And we'll start down here with the Asus P8 Z77V LK motherboard, and we'll complement that with a Intel Core i7 processor. What do we have here? It's an LGA 1155 socket, and it's an i7 3770K. Very fast. Okay, so we got 16 gig of RAM here. These are G.Skill Ripjaws Z RAM guys, RAM DIMMs, whatever they are. And they're like the 16 total for 4 gigs for each guy right there. Yeah. All right, so we're going to have 2 drives in this PC. One, kind of the main drive, the C drive, will be the Samsung 840 series SSD. This is 500 gigabytes. It's supposed to be really awesome, very well reviewed. The second drive, the D drive, is going to be this guy, which is actually a Seagate 3 terabyte hard drive, 7,200 RPM, very fast. And the last drive will be an optical drive, and it's this LG Blu-ray drive. All right. To power up all these guys is this 1,000-watt hard drive. Excuse me, 1,000-watt power supply from Kingwin. You may ask what the video card is going to be. Well, it's here. It's the EVGA GeForce GTX 670 with 2 gigabytes of memory on it, and you can run an SLI, but we're just going to run the single card. We have a OEM copy of Windows 8 here, and all of this will be going into this guy, which is the AZZA case, which is like super large, and it actually has a reversible area that you can switch around to mount the motherboard and all the other stuff. But we're going to keep it in its default position. So that's it. We're now going to start building up this guy, and we'll be back occasionally with more. See ya.